Assalamu alaikum everyone. A very beautiful good morning, and I believe that all of you are doing great by the grace of Almighty. And I'm also fit and fine. As you can see, I am in that different place right now. Actually, I am in village now. That's why you are seeing this as kind of scenery. It's a very beautiful scenery. It's a very amazing place. Actually, I'm feeling very fantastic because the area of my village is very fascinating. So actually, if you want to get yourself refreshment, then you have to go to your village, right? Without going to your village, you cannot enjoy this as kind of scenery, right? That I am enjoying right now. If I show you, the sun has already risen. As you can see, the sun has already risen, and so this is very interesting and very amazing scenery that I am enjoying right now. So today in this video, I'm gonna share with you a very interesting thing, that is actually how to practice your spoken English. Actually, if you want to learn English within a short time, then you have to practice, of course, daily, and in this way, you have to practice. Actually, basically, I would like to improve my spoken English. I want to speak English very spontaneously, very well, like our native speaker. That's why I'm practicing this my spoken English, and in this way, you can also practice your spoken English if you want to learn English within a short time. If you want to improve your spoken English, then you have to practice in this way. And as I am learning, and that's why I'm practicing in this way so that I can speak English very well, very spontaneously, like native speaker, right? So, and if I show you, I am in different way. I am just making this video as I am showing that. As you can see, I have got on actually lungi, so there is no any problem. I don't feel any shyness to show that I have put on a lungi, right? So anyways, this is the message that I'm gonna share with you throughout this video. Actually, if you want to learn English or if you want to improve your spoken English, then you have to practice in this way, because you are going to learn English just only for communication purpose. So why not you will practice, right? If you practice in this way, you will be able to learn English within a short time. And I'm also practicing in this way so that I can also improve my spoken English. I want to see my spoken English in the next level. That's why I'm practicing in this way. And of course, you will also practice in this way actually if you want to improve your spoken English. So this is the message about. And today I will not more. Today I will not make any more longer time. And see you soon. Stay safe, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.